In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete table column in WPS Office. Before we get started, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to click on the subscribe button below so you do not miss future videos like this. Now let us move straight into the tutorial. To demonstrate this clearly, I am going to begin by inserting a table into the document. Once the table is added, you will see several columns laid out across the page. Imagine that one of these columns is no longer needed and you want to remove it without affecting the rest of the table. This is exactly what we are going to do. First, move your cursor over the column that you want to remove. Make sure the column is selected properly so the program knows exactly which part of the table you are working on. After selecting the column, right-click on your mouse. A menu will appear with several options related to table editing. From that menu, look for the option called Delete Cell and click on it. Once you click Delete Cell, a small window will open asking how you want the deletion to be handled. In this window, choose the option that says Delete Entire Column. This ensures that the whole column is removed, not just a single cell. After selecting that option, click OK to confirm. You will immediately see that the selected column has been removed from the table. To further show how this works, let us try deleting another column. This time, select a different column, such as the fourth one. Again, right-click on the selected column, choose Delete Cell, then select Delete Entire Column and click OK. As you can see, the entire column disappears instantly. This method is very useful when you are adjusting table layouts, cleaning up data, or correcting formatting mistakes. It allows you to quickly remove unwanted columns while keeping the rest of your table organized and intact. By using this option, you can easily manage and edit tables in WPS Office Writer. I hope this video helped you. If it did, like this video and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button below and follow this channel for more content about WPS Office. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell.